myself Manoranjan. Today we will discuss about the sixth experiment of your physics lab. See here, the aim of the experiment is to study and plot transistor input and output characteristic in common emitter configuration of BJT. Apparatus required: NPN silicon transistor, 2 DC voltmeter 0 to 10 volt and 2 DC ammeter, that is 0 to 10 milliampere and 0 to 20 microampere. Then power supply and connecting cords. Theory: when a transistor is used in common emitter configuration, the input is fed between its base and emitter terminal and output is taken between collector and emitter. Input characteristic: for input characteristic, the collector emitter voltage, that is VCE, is kept constant. The base emitter is varied in small steps and the corresponding values of base current are observed. The readings are plotted on a graph sheet with the base emitter voltage VBE along the x-axis and base current IB along the y-axis. And output characteristics: for obtaining output characteristic is base current is fixed at a certain value. The current emitter voltage increased in certain steps and corresponding readings of collector currents are noted. The graph of VCE versus IC is plotted for each fixed value of IB, and this one is a circuit diagram for common emitter configuration of BJT. See here, circuit connection is like this: voltmeter negative, source negative, emitter, source negative, output negative, voltmeter negative, voltmeter positive, output source positive, output milliammeter positive, milliammeter negative, base, milliammeter negative, collector, see here, milliammeter negative, positive base, positive source, positive, voltmeter positive. These are the circuit connections. See here, base voltage, base current, collector voltage and collector current. And see here, we have to find least count for this voltmeter, microammeter and voltmeter and milliammeter. ये 10 डिवीजन पे here 0.2 volt. So 1 division is your 0.2 by 10, that is 0.02. But we have to change the voltmeter in 5 interval, that is 5 interval will be your 0.1. So we have to change this voltmeter 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 up to 1. Then we will take reading from micrometer and see here, micrometer 10 division pe aa raha hai 50 microampere. So 1 division will be 5 microampere. And C for collector voltage, 10 division will be your 2 volts. So 1 division is 0.2 volts. Similarly, we have to change this voltmeter, that is in 5 interval, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we will take reading from milliammeter, that is least count of this milliammeter is 10 division per 10 milliampere. So 1 division is 1 milliampere. See here, you have to change the voltmeter. See, readings will be like this, and also reading for reading for output also like this. And C, for input characteristic, we'll take base voltage in x-axis and base current in y-axis. That is 15 small division is your 0.1 volt, 0.1, 0.2 up to 1 volt. Similarly, in y-axis, here we take 10 microampere divisions, that is in 10 small division from y-axis, 10, 20 up to 220, and graph will be like this. See here for output characteristic, in x-axis we will take collector voltage, that is 15 division equal to 1 volt, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10, and in y-axis we will take here 10, 20, 30, 50 division for 1 milliampere, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then graph will be like this. Table 1, table for study of input characteristic of an NPN transistor in common emitter configuration. Number of observation, VCE equal to 0 volt, then VC equal to 4 volt, and VB in volts, IB in microampere. Similarly, VB in volt for VC 4 volt and IB in microampere. And these are the data we have taken from the experiment. See here table 2. Table for study of output characteristic of NPN transistor for in common emitter configuration. Number of observation, IB in 50 microampere, IB in 75 microampere, and IB in 100 microampere, and IB is 125 microampere. For IB in 150 microampere, we have to take reading from VC and IC, that is VC in volts and IC in microampere. Similarly, for 75, 100 and 125 microampere, and these are the data we have taken from the experiments. Result and discussion. The input and output characteristic of an NPN transistor in common emitter mode are studied and corresponding graphs are plotted. The following results are obtained. In input characteristic curve, the base current increases slowly for smaller values of input voltage VBE, and then increases sharply with increases of VBE for a constant value of output voltage, that is VCE. Further, on increasing VCE, the value of IB decreases for the same set of values of VBE. Then in the output characteristic curve, for a constant value of input current, that is IB, the output current IC increases up to a certain value of output voltage VCE, and then gets saturated for further on increasing IB throughout the voltage range. The output current increases. The experimentally observed results are as per the theory. Thank you.